Have it. See you later, Gary. Double G has gone. So on January the 20th, 2025, I will be stepping down as SEC Gov Chair. We're in the money. God, I needed that. I've literally just posted out a tweet earlier saying I was feeling tired and I was feeling sluggish. This is exactly what the news I needed to pick me the hell up. Because you know what, I was literally like sleepy Joe Biden, but bloody hell, look at XRP now. Let's go into the hourly. I was literally tweeting this all the. There's so many trolls these days. The bigger your account gets, guys, honest to God, like you just get woodworms coming out and they just comment on your stuff just for freaking sake of it. So I posted this like 9 hours. This was 9 hours looking strong, ready for the next leg up. And you get people. I think I've even like deleted some of them. Look at this guy here, dirty trend lines for clickbait. Like I'm blocking it. I've got no remorse whatsoever. I don't know who you are, mate. Block. See you later. Anyone else giving me jit, because that is right. Why don't they wait until it plays out? You can see where my red line is there. Do you know what I mean? And then I've been posting as well. Look at this as well. This is what I posted. I don't even think people need my channel anymore. Everyone's saying, get some kit, but guess what? Gary's gone, so I'm back, baby. I'm back on the video and I'm pumped. So, where are we? Let's get back to some of these other charts. Where are we now? So, hey, that's Gala. Gala looking really well. XRP here looking strong. So that was the initial one there. And if we come back down, according to this pattern, we reached the apex on the hourly within 3 hours. Within 8 hours. So I wasn't far off there, guys. Literally, how far is that? Literally, I was so close. I was within 24 hours anyway. Well, if that was 8 hours, 8 minus 22, what's that? Quick maths, 14 hours. So I was 14 hours out from the breakout with XRP. XRP now currently trading at $1.20. I don't think that's bad. So many TAs get it wrong. And what am I? I'm like 16 hours out and I'm getting slagged out. I'm 16 hours out of the breakout. Do you know what I mean? It's about time I got a little bit of credibility. And you know what? It's fair play because I've gone up about 2,000 subs in the last not subs, followers, shall we say. Do you know what I mean? For those pedantic people that have to politically correct you for everything that you say. So within 4 days, gone up 2,000. So I just want to thank you guys for supporting the channel because I'm literally building this brand up from scratch and I couldn't do it without you guys. So I want to thank you. I want to thank the XRP community because the XRP community is going to be, I don't know if you guys are going to be sleeping well tonight because I'm probably going to have another sleepless night, to be honest with you, because I'm going to be like looking at the charts, looking at the price action. So it's all in the green now, guys. So it's looking really good. Poor Gala. Gala's leaving me behind. I've got so much in Gala as well, but I've also got, that's just a small portion. Like my main bag is XDC. So I'm hoping XDC can get moving and hopefully keep pace with XRP, if not outperform it. But you know what? I'm not going to take the limelight off XRP today because that is a massive victory for the XRP community. Now, let's get into it, guys. Let's go from weekly down to the hourly. So this was the chart that I was looking at before the breakout. And look at it. It's worked out absolutely beautiful. I've even highlighted it from earlier where I'd expect the breakout from. And there we go. We've already taken out that high there at around $1.20. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful price action. So we'll have to see now over the next hour or so if we just get a sharp pullback down here to maybe $1.11, $1.12. Just a quick retest. You know what I mean? Nothing like dramatic. Just a quick retest on the hourly candle. I'm not talking dailies. I'm not talking weekly candles. Quick retest to there. And then we're off to the market. That would be beautiful, in my opinion, because we have talked about this smaller chart sort of replicating what it would be doing on the sort of macro as well. So we've discussed that, guys. But look at XRP. XRP is running up beautifully now. So yeah, almost sort of double digits there for the gains on the hourly. So and the whole market seems to be doing really, really well. So XRP, look at that for news. let's just go back to it. Let's go on to home. I bet the whole sort of feed is full of it here. So let's go XRP. This is the best day of my life by Gary. All right, break it out. You know what I mean? It's not the same news. It's these news accounts that just post stuff from other accounts, and it really like, come on, guys, create your own content. Like, actually add some value, because this is what I do. There's loads of accounts all over X, and they all post the same thing. Yes, Gary's gone ultimately. I'm a hypocrite. I'm a hypocrite, really, because I've even posted it out myself. But do you know what I mean? At least add a little bit of value, because I actually, bring my own work and content to the space. Do you know what I mean? So I get a pass, right? No, I'm not joking. I don't know why I've clicked on those notifications. But anyway, we've still got the XDC XRP plan. So still looking for the official breakout at the end of this sort of year, if you will, get that official breakout, because at the moment we're still targeting $1.96, guys. So it's important we don't get too carried away, and make sure we're still running off historical data, because there's no point in ignoring all of this macro price action for us just to think we're going to the moon now. Do you know what I mean? So we've got to stay unemotional. We've got to continue thinking sort of logical, methodical, and we kind of just working off the data, guys. So we've got plenty of data to work off here. Like I said, we've always retested. Say, for example, down here, we've always retested with this wick. This was literally ran up 2 or 3 weeks. Well, this was 3 or 4 weeks. We put in the high there, post-US elections in the previous cycle, and then we got that capitulation. So we got like 2 massive red candles. As soon as we took out that, we then ran up. So that was the price of XRP at the day of the Bitcoin halving. And in this previous cycle, we was actually trading below the... in fact, no, because US elections was trading up here. So that was 007, so not even just shy of 1 cent back here, back in October of 2016. And then we actually come down after the US elections into the apex. And then we're actually trading at that point underneath the Bitcoin halving price where we was. So that's when we spiked through it, and that's when we rallied up. Yeah, so it's not until we actually cross that sort of 50 cent, in my opinion, do we get going. So again, guys, we're aiming at these 3 peaks here. Now, if I just clear some of this sort of TA up, you can see this green line here. I will try and zoom in for you guys as much as I can. But this green horizontal line obviously depicting where current price action is here. So we've got these sort of targets here. It looks like we're taking out this first peak. Want to take out this second peak here around $1.31, we'll say. And then we've got these other weekly closes at $1.55. So those are the like sort of 3 hurdles we need to overcome. And it looks as if we're passing the first hurdle of 3 hurdles before we can get to the final boss. The final boss is up here. Okay, this sort of weekly close up here. So yeah, this is not out of the question, guys. This is on the weekly, so we could see a massive rally as high as $2.70. That's what the weekly is suggesting. However, on the monthly, it's telling us a different story, which is why it's very difficult being a technical analysis, because you get conflicting sort of ideas, or you're thinking, well, can we run up to 270, or is like 190 the target? In my opinion, the strongest time frame is the higher one. So if there are sort of discrepancies, say for example on the daily to the weekly, they're giving you different prices, you've got to respect the higher time frame. So on the higher time frame, weekly is saying up at like sort of 270. However, if you go up to the monthly is stipulating 196, which is why I'm targeting 196 still. So 196 is this monthly close here, this green candle. Okay, and then you can see here where this, let me rob that. You can see where this wick has gone in. So this is a next cycle. So that first cycle, second cycle, we've gone into 196. And this is what we're looking to do again. We are looking to get a close above $1.96. So if we got a close on the monthly above $1.96, bearing in mind we are literally, let's go on my calendar now. We are literally a week, 8 days, 9 days. So about 9 days from a monthly close. So in 9 days' time, imagine if we get a close above $1.96. Now, I would be a little bit hesitant. I'd have a big question mark whether or not that could be. I don't even want to say what I'm thinking at this moment in time, but that will leave a lot of question marks for me personally because, like I said, I still want to take out that sort of 50 cent area, in my opinion, because I do believe we still have to retest this sort of apex going into January. Okay. I want to take out the apex. So we'll have to see here whether or not we get a strong rejection. Like I said, we might spike through like sort of $2. We may even spike higher to like I say, like $2.70. That would be really, really bullish. And then we get a close. And I'd imagine it's going to be a close around this yellow horizontal line around $1.96. The reason being is the market likes to keep you second guessing. Is it a close above these highs? Or is it just below? So this is what they do. They literally close it around the monthly candle. I'd imagine around sort of that $1.96 mark to keep you guessing and indecisive. And that would be enough to fool sort of. I'm not a professional trader, but I'm an experienced trader. I've been trading for 10 years now. That is enough for me to give a big question mark and say, you know what, I'm not quite sure what's going to happen here because obviously I've got this idea in mind, 50 cent. But then if it closes, the monthly candle closes just above like $1.96, I'm thinking, you know what, this is bullish. We're pretty much at all-time highs going into the new year. And then everyone knows that I'm not selling any bags till the interim sort of take profits, and then I'm following the XRP plan from January. So that's what this XRP plan is for. It's for the sort of predicting the breakout. So we've got this window now of the breakout up until the end of the year, and then that XRP plan takes over. In my opinion, it is so accurate and it marks up beautifully with the previous two cycles. So every sort of every other cycle it marries up perfectly. So again, history doesn't always repeat, but it often rhymes, and we don't have all this sort of price action just to ignore and just to go off gut feeling and intuition. We've got to respect these candles and the prices. Okay, so yeah, it's looking mega at the moment. I'm going to keep it short there, guys, because I could keep rambling on. But if you guys need a plan, make sure you add both of them to the call. You get 10% discount. Link below in the description. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Until next time, Blockbull over and out.